Hello again. Let's see overview of what you will take in this course. C for microcontrollers. We will review C basics and compilation flow for C Labs IDE. We will use micro C IDE. Then we will see C extensions. In addition to that, we will see inline assembly and interfacing with C. After that, we will be looking at examples, array and pointers, input-output security, and functions and header files. This is a quick overview of what we will take in this course. Let's talk about C for microcontrollers. Why C? Among a lot of C or a lot of high-level languages, C is the closest to assembly language. It has bit manipulation instructions and pointers for indirect addressing. Most microcontrollers have available C compiler. The one we will be using is C or micro C. I will show you how to download it and how to use it. Writing in C simplifies code development for large projects. It makes it way much easier. It helps you get the job done with few lines of codes. Instead of writing 100 lines, you can do the very same code using 10 lines in C language. Now, this is a list of available C compilers. As you can see, micro C Pro, which is integrated and very sophisticated software or interface. Kyle, integrated with the IDE we have been using for labs, but I will shift to micro C Pro. Reads 51, which is available here. Freeware such as SDCC. Small device C compiler, you can get it from sourcefork.net, and a lot of other freeware versions. Now I will show you how to install micro C Pro, how to download it from the internet, then how to install it in your PC so that you can be ready for the next lessons. Let's head to the browser, write micro C in Google. The first result is here, micro C Pro for BEC, C compiler for microchip BEC microcontrollers. You can use it with other microcontrollers as well, but here I will be using this compiler for C and generally to any microcontroller. Now there is a download link. As you can see, this is it. When you click download, the download will begin. It won't take time, about a minute. Let's see its features. As you can see, it supports a lot of microcontrollers. This is the March 24th 2016 version 6.6.3. It has IDE improvements. This is its interface. I've been using it since 2 years now and I'm not having any problem. It supports a lot of operating systems and it has examples for beginners. Why you might choose this compiler? It's improved constantly and new functionality are added. I second that since I download a new version each couple of months. As you can see, this is a single click debugging. You just need to click one button to get your hex file, which we will talk about in the coming lesson. It also has a development board associated with it, so you can develop your apps and test them in real life. Micro C is a very sophisticated software, so that's why I recommend it to you. Okay, the download finished. Double click on that .exe file, then just keep clicking next, I accept, next. As you can see, it's extracting files. Okay, here is a list of the files that are being extracted. They are all microcontrollers files. These are support files for microcontrollers. Okay, that's it. Just hit finish. No, no, and no. That's it for this lesson. We just installed the micro C IDE that we will use for this course and for writing our C codes. See you next lesson where we will see the interface and how to create our first program and different file types in this program or in this IDE. Thanks for watching. This is Education Engineering Team.